Hey, this is Jacob Sparks out here at Moore Dodge in Silsbee, Texas. I just want to go ahead and give you a quick little walk around of our 2014 Dodge Durango Citadel Edition. This vehicle is fully equipped and fully loaded. One of the top class N trim levels for the Dodge Durango. Remote rear opening hatch door. You can also remote close it. Trailer towing package under the awning right there. Rear backup sensors. Also has remote start. It is a very smooth riding, very powerful Durango with also great fuel economy, getting 25 miles to the gallon. Show you the interior real quick. Passive entry and go, don't even have to hit the key fob, automatically opens the door. Has a beautiful tan interior, still in great condition. This vehicle is equipped with paddle shifters, automatic headlights, navigation, push button start, as well as a functioning sunroof. This vehicle is a third row seating vehicle with 56,852 miles. As you can see, it's a very spacious rear back seat. Both these seats are heated here in the back. Also has a hard outlet for any kind of electronics, phone use, future kids. Also has a third row back seat. Now the great thing about this third row back seat is that it does fold down, so you still have plenty of room. All you have to do is pull up and push down. Folds all the way down with a pull of one finger. You can pull it all the way back up. As well as push button, push it down. This 2014 Dodge Durango is available at Moore Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, home of your one more better deal. I look forward to helping you on it here pretty soon.